Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making an Instagram story with rounded edges. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The method I will show you only works for photos, not videos. To post a story with rounded edges, you have to have the photo you want to post in your phone's gallery. So take the photo before you open Instagram. Open up Instagram and go to create a story like normal. Tap on the gallery button in the bottom left corner of the story creation page. Now tap to select the photo you want to post as your story. You now need to pinch the photo to zoom out the image so that it is small. Now tap on the stickers button at the top of the page. Scroll down the stickers and select the squares with a plus sticker. Now choose the same photo again. You now want to pinch out on the photo to enlarge it. Make it bigger than the original photo. Here is your photo with rounded edges. Now share it to your story. As you can see, I now have a story with rounded edges. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.